Hello, I'm Katie on the ads team at OpenAI, and today I'm going to be showing you how to launch your first campaign in OpenAI Ads Manager. This is done in 3 steps. The first is to create your account, the second is to create your campaigns, and the third is to launch and monitor performance signals. Let's get started. Creating and managing campaigns for ads in ChatGPT is done in our Ads Manager platform. This can be accessed at ads.openai.com. Note that this platform is currently in beta and expect frequent updates over time. The first step is to create your account. You can do this by logging in with your work address if you have a work address that is already associated with an OpenAI account. If you don't, then you can sign up for an account here. When you enter Ads Manager, you'll be asked to go through our onboarding process. This includes entering your business information and going through the account verification process. Once your account is verified, there's a few extra steps you will need to take before creating your first campaign. The first is to navigate to Settings, then General, and Account Info. You'll want to enter your advertiser name and favicon or brand logo exactly how you want it to appear in your ads in ChatGPT. Next, you'll need to create a billing profile. To do so, navigate to Billing, then Overview, select Set up Billing Profile, and enter your card information as well as your billing address and your invoice email that will be used for all billing and invoices. Finally, navigate to Settings, then Users, and here you can invite any team members to your account. To do so, select Invite, then enter their email and select what access you would like to grant, whether it's admin access for full access to the platform, member to create and manage campaigns, or view-only access. Now that your account is set up, the next step is to create your campaigns. This can be done through one of 2 ways. The first is a bulk upload workflow where you can download this bulk template that includes your campaigns, ad groups, and ads, enter all your information there, and then re-upload it here. The other way is to do a guided creation workflow where you can enter all of your campaign details in the UI. So for example, we can enter in a campaign name, select an objective, clicks to optimize for clicks or reach to optimize for impressions, enter a campaign budget, add conversion events if you would like, and then select a campaign start date and an optional campaign end date. Next, we'll enter the information for our ad groups. So you can enter an ad group name, a CPC bid if you selected clicks for your objective, a default destination URL for your ads, as well as a context hints, which allow you to describe conversations or topics that are relevant to your ads. Finally, you can configure your ads. So you can enter an ad name. You can enter your ad headline or title and your ad copy, and you can add an image for your ad. Then you could get a preview of what your ad will look like in the right over here. The third and final step is to launch and monitor performance signals for your campaigns. To start, you can check the status of your campaigns. You'll want to make sure that the status for your campaigns, ad groups, and ads are all status active. If they are not, you'll get a descriptive message on why they are not serving, which this can usually be fixed by editing your campaigns, but some ads may be rejected for policy reasons. Once you confirm your ads are serving, you should start seeing performance metrics come through. Currently, we support impressions, clicks, spend, CTR, average CPM, and average CPC. Note that this test account doesn't have any performance data, but if it did, you'd start seeing those show up here. We have a couple other ways to view insights as well. You can download these insights as a CSV by selecting all of the campaigns you'd like to see insights for, then selecting export, and you can export cumulative or daily values. Or we also have these insights charts, where if you click here, you can select any metric you would like, and you'll be able to see what the performance trend looks like for that metric over time. As you launch and learn from your performance results, you might find that you want to make changes or edits to your campaigns. To do so, there are 2 options. The first, you can hover over the campaign, select the 3 dots, and select Edit Campaign. Here you can make any edits and then select Save. The other option is a bulk edit workflow, where you could select all the campaigns you would like to edit, then select Export, Export for Edit. It will give you a sheet with those campaigns where you can make any changes you would like, and then you could re-upload that campaign sheet in the Upload Bulk workflow, select Campaigns, and upload them here. And note that these same edit workflows also apply for ad groups and ads. And there you have it. Now you have all the steps to get started with creating your campaigns for ads in ChatGPT. Visit ads.openai.com to get started.